guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be unboxing my BoxyCharm, and before I get started, it is a monthly subscription box. You do get 5 products a month and you pay $21. They are full size and most of the time the value is up to $100. So for this month I did upgrade for the BoxyCharm Luxe, which is $28.99 more, and you do get up to a 250 value, so I cannot wait to open this up. I've been wanting to open it. But yeah, if you guys want to know what I got, then please keep watching. Is the box, and this is what it looks like. And each month they do have a theme, and the theme this month is a getaway. And then in the back it just shows everything that you're getting and the price, how much it's worth. So this is what the box looks like, and I'm super excited because I've seen all over Instagram, like everybody's been getting some fun stuff, so I can't wait. Okay, so the first thing that I got on my BoxyCharm, I'm just gonna open this up, and so it is this black bag right here, and I'm super excited because I think it's... So for this month we did get a mini blow dryer, which is by PYT, and this is a value of $85, which is pretty cool. I've always wanted a mini blow dryer. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it, and it is gonna be really useful for traveling, so I'm really excited. This is such a pretty color as well. I got it in the color coral, and it came in a bag. And you do get these 2 diffuser or whatever. The next thing that I got in my BoxyCharm is this mascara, and this is actually pretty cool. I've seen it all over Instagram. I have to take off the thing there, but this is called Good Vibes Mascara, and this is worth $25, and it does have a lash curler into the mascara, which is actually pretty cool if you don't want to take your lash curler with you. So that's pretty nice. Next thing that I got on my BoxyCharm is this Dr. Brandt cleanser, which is actually pretty cool. It's a pH balance, and yeah, and this values for, I want to say, let's see, it values for $35. So that alone, the box already, everything that I've shown so far has already paid for the box, which is actually pretty cool. I like it when I get skincare products just because I get to try them and see if it works out for me, and it's just really nice to get a variety of things, which is like makeup, skincare, and hair, and just everything. I like the whole thing. But anyway, so moving on, I did get this Radiant Dewy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist, and this is Truffle Therapy Skin & Co. And I believe this retails for $35 as well. I kind of want to try it already, so let's try it out. It kind of smells minty. Yeah, it smells kind of minty. So okay, so the next thing that I got in my BoxyCharm, I'm really excited for this because I really want to try this out. I might even try this tonight. But this is the Honeymoon Glow Night Serum, and this is what it looks like, and that retails for $58, you guys. That's expensive for a serum. I do not usually buy serums that expensive, but I'm really excited to try this out. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so oh my gosh, isn't that cute? The gold cap. Yep, I'm really excited to try this out. I would let you guys know if it worked out for me. The next thing that I got is this Dominique Cosmetics, which I love her brand. I love her latte palette, and I haven't tried any of her lip products, but That looks really good. And I got mine in the shade Strawberry Lemonade. And these retail for $17 and it's a lemonade lip gloss. It smells nice. And oh, that feels really nice on the hand. It's like, it doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. Okay, I can't wait to try that. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast styling and finishing spray. So it's a finishing spray. I like Living Proof. I've tried their shampoo before and I really do like their brand. I can't wait to try this, so we'll see how that works. I forgot to mention that this retails for $29, which is a steal. And we are gonna move on to the next thing, which is this Tarte palette. And I cannot wait. This is the Tarte's Pro Glow 3. I have the first one that they came out with, where it has like the highlighting and then the bronzer and the cream bronzer. But I'm really excited for this one because it has blushes. And this is what the palette looks like. So I can't wait to try that out. And oh my god, you guys, this is like a really good value because it is $45 and you do get you know, your 2 blushes, 2 highlighting and 2 bronzers, which is really good for the month of June. And then the next thing that I also got is this No Pore Blem Prime. So I also have this one that I received in my BoxyCharm. I can't remember what month that was, but this is really, really great. So I'm really excited for this one. Alrighty, so this primer tightens up your pores and keeping your skin slick and silky smooth, which is really nice, and it's $23 in retail. I can't wait to try this. It sounds like it's a little bit liquidy, but we'll see how that goes. And this is what the primer looks like. So those were all the products that I got for my Boxy Luxe this month. Adding this whole box up, it comes out to be a total of $352, which is a steal for the price of $21 plus the $28 extra that you will be paying for the month. That comes out to be $49. That is a steal for everything that you get. I definitely love and enjoy this box. Everything that I got, like, I'm really happy with it, and I will be getting a lot of use out of it. That is the reason why I do like BoxyCharm. Is one of my favorite subscription box. And yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about it, and I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, that way you don't miss any of my videos and you stay updated to new videos every week. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.